Okay, you guys, so today's video I just wanted to pretty much come on here and do like a show and tell of this hair. And I've had this wig for a little while now, but I wanted to color it, so I was playing around with the color, you guys. This was my first time attempting to do like a blonde, honey blonde ombre, and I think that I did a pretty good job. Now that I did it and I'm able to see how it looks on me, I am going to go in with maybe just a little bit of developer and the tiniest bit of bleach, and I'm going to just clean up like this black area right here that somehow I seem to have missed, just so it can be more uniform. But I have to mention that it is like a lot lighter on the ends. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but I did purposely want the ends to be a lot lighter than the rest of the hair. So the only products that I used to bleach this hair was just simply bleach. I went in with the BW2 bleaching powder, and then I also used 40 volume developer. I believe I used the Clairol brand. That's my favorite brand. They have the cheaper one, I think the L'Oreal brand. That one doesn't work as good enough for me as the Clairol brand. That one's like typically the name brand. So okay, you guys, so I did have to go in, you know, trial and error. Since I said this was my first time doing this, I did have to go in and bleach this hair twice. So even with me going in and bleaching the hair twice, I'm very impressed with the quality of this hair and how this hair has held up. You guys, this hair is from UNice Hair. As you guys can see the packaging there in the background. This is their straight transparent lace wig. I do have this wig in 13x4, which is pretty much why I threw it in the side part. If you pretty much heard me say this in my videos, you know, 13x4 wigs, they're not bad, but it is limited parting space, or maybe we've just gotten so used to, you know, 6 inches of parting space. But I find that they look best when you do throw them in a side part. So that's pretty much what I went ahead and did. And then this wig is 26 inches. I'll try to come up so you guys can see. I do have on a jumpsuit, but it pretty much stops around my waist area here. And finally, the density that I got this wig in is 180% density, and it is nice. It's full. Like I said, me processing the hair not once but twice did not compromise the integrity of the hair. Thank God, because if I would have ruined this wig, it would have been all bad. But what I can say so far is that I know UNice Hair is one of those very controversial type of hair companies. A lot of people say, oh, they're trash, or only YouTubers get the best hair. But from my experience, I actually like their hair. I can't say that I like all their hair, but their straight wigs, especially with their transparent lace, they're pretty much good in my book. This will be my second one that I've gotten from them, and I just love their transparent lace. Number one, because it's super thin, but I did put a hole in my lace somewhere on this side, but you guys, you know, you can't see it at all, thankfully. I just know to be extremely careful because their lace is very, very thin. I've even put holes in it from just putting it in my mannequin head, and you have to be careful when you put it on your head to fit it. You know, put it on front first and then, you know, lay down the back, because if you do the back first and try to pull it to the front, you're gonna rip it. That's the reason how I got the hole in the lace on this side. So don't do like me. But aside from that, like I said, their transparent lace, I love it. It is perfect. I did not go in and bleach the knots, so when you see it, it will be very light. But like I said, this will be my second transparent lace wig that I got from them, so I pretty much know what to expect. It's perfect for if you know how to go in and tint your lace. You can do that as soon as you get this, you know, hair straight out of the package, or you could do like me and just simply put your foundation shade on the lace. I just want to say thank you, you guys. It showed me so much love on my last UNice Hair video. They had sent me a pre-highlighted you know, blonde and brown type of wig, and you guys just love that wig on me, and it took some getting used to for me, but you guys have just shown me so much love on that video, so I just want to say thank you for that. So that video kind of motivated and inspired me to want to play around with some more blonde, and I absolutely love how this came out. Like I said, it's not perfect. I'm going to go in and fix what I feel like I can fix, but I think that it looks really good. Like, I think it looks really good. I remember exactly what I did and how I did it to get this look. I feel like if I were to do this on another wig, I would probably master it and get it down pat. So I didn't do like a hair color tutorial, just because, like I said, this was my first time trying to do a blonde ombre. But if this is something that you guys would like to see, I feel confident enough to show you guys. So just let me know if you guys would like to see how I got this hair color, even though it's super easy. Like, I can sit here and tell you what I did, like type it out and explain it to you, and I feel like you would know how to do it. Shout out to them, not for sending me this, but for the fact that I got yet another good quality wig from them. The density on this wig is perfect. Like I said, all the details that I mentioned about this hair, I will be sure to put them down below in my description box. I just feel like with blonde hair, like, I never really know how to do my makeup. Like, I don't know. I feel like if the makeup look is off, it makes the hair look off. So I guess I'll just have to stick to this same look when I do wear this again. So that's all I have to say to you guys. Like I said, this is more so a show and tell, not really like an in-depth glueless install, because you guys see how easy it was for me to put this wig on. It's very simple, very easy. It's going to be easy for me to remove this, like literally so easy. Just, I can literally take it right off. What else? Wig does not come pre-plucked, so I did go in and pluck this wig myself. That's really the only thing that I did aside from coloring this hair, so that's not bad. I won't say I had to put in a ton of work with this wig. You can see the shine with this hair. It just looks really glossy and silky, and I absolutely love it. I didn't lose any of the length with this hair, and surprisingly, it hasn't started shedding too crazy. I thought that it would pick up with the shedding, and if it does, then I just know that that's because I did bleach the hair. But even after I was, you know, brushing it out after it had been sitting, because I did let this hair air dry after I bleached it, I didn't get that much shedding. Yes, I can expect to get some shedding because all hair sheds, and then because I did bleach the hair, but it's nothing too crazy. All right, you guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.